love the Moshi Monsters.
Yes, we do. Here.
What, the Moshi Monsters, that's the song thing that Libby danced to, remember? The baby.
Lady Goo-Goo.
Yeah. Was that a chicken?
Hey, but this is from me and you. That's from you and Mommy.
Let me see it. Is it a chicken?
More or less?
Oh.
That's from you and Mommy.
Wow.
Hey, but this is to you and me.
Number
Well, let Eva help open it, Goofy.
Ava, help me open it. We don't even care.
learner.
DJ Hero?
What is that?
DJ Hero. You have no idea what that is? Oh my gosh.
Does it go with the Wii?
Yes. And it's like a DJ.
Scratch and mix the hottest hits.
Wow.
Great. Oh, thank you.
More or less?
Good Lord.
Taller or shorter?
Okay.
Number learner.
Anything
Hard
with
to
lots,
find where Santa writes these.
anything with lots of buttons that makes noise. is what
Libby.
we
Same
like.
shape.
Is this the Libby?
Add it up.
Me,
More or less?
Libby,
Woo, Libby got lots.
Yeah.
Taller or shorter?
It's only Libby's second
Ava?
birthday. Right?
Number learner.
First birthday. Second birthday.
second
Christmas.
She was born in February 10th. No, 11. No, February 10th.
Look, Lucy I got.
Well, I put it wrong on her passport thing the other
It's
day.
a Nintendo DS.
It's okay.
Oh, I want to be a teacher. Open Yay.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
She wants to open it.
I don't think she
Libby, you and
can.
Daddy open it?
But then she'll mind. I'm gonna rip this thing. And then rip. And yay!
What is it? What is it?
Story Studio. I like art and I want to be a teacher when I grow up and I got that and I thought I was, yeah.
What'd you get, Ava?
The same as me.
Zoobles and Moshi Monsters.
I got Lala,
Awesome.
Lucy, and Imagine Teacher.
Woo.
What's a Zooble?
Say guys!
Yay.
You don't know what Zoobles are?
There's those little ball things and you put them on a magnet and they pop open.
You put them on a what?
Like a magnetic thingy
That's
and they
right.
pop open.
Sing a song, Steve.
Look at all these nice things you
This
wrote
is
up.
the McDonald's version.
That's
This
a-
is the one with the buttons.
Oh, that's the one that Libby had the other day. She was pushing and it was opening up.
Yeah, that's the McDonald's version.
Okay.
Whose is this? That's yours. No, wait. That's Libby's.
Fish.
Here, Libby. Look what you got. Who's that? Dora. Good job. See?
Oh, you like Dora.
Dora. Dora.
Libby's like, what is this, Christmas?
What is this Christmas? She is annoying.
Like, why all these presents? Oh, she wants them. Here. Daddy, open it. Daddy, open it up.
Maybe this is from Abby. Blackpink.
I want you to be careful.
Maybe. Oh, look, Daddy's opening up Dora. Dora. So this is. Hey, Libby. Libby, do you want to open up the present for me? Look. Come on. Uh-oh. Stuck. Look what's in here. Look.
Aw, say thank you, Abby.
Oh, that's nice. Daddy got good.
Daddy, can you open this
Yeah, honey.
to Ava? Just open it up on the side.